Hi everyone, I'm Tobias Hahn, President of the Atlas Copco IAS division. It's now more than a year since Atlas Copco acquired the Henrob Group, which specializes in self-piercing rivets. The acquisition took place in the middle of a rapid growth phase of the company, and therefore major efforts have been made to ensure business as usual rather than focus on integration. Standing beside me here I have Mark Ayres, General Manager of the Henrob Group. So Mark, tell me what we see now and how it will look when everything is finalized.
Well, we're standing here in our US headquarters, where we have a manufacturing facility producing both rivets and riveting systems. Here you see the new rivet production facility that is under construction, which will start up early next year. In my hand I have some rivets. We produce billions of these each year in this plant alone. In the US we mainly supply rivets to Ford, General Motors and Daimler Trucks. The automotive market remains our #1 growth market. We have already expanded our production capacity in this plant greatly over the past year. It is an impressive operation. Let's go take a tour. Here we see the forging machines. These machines are fed with carbon steel wire. The forming of a rivet takes place across 5 to 6 forming stations that progressively shape the product. Rivets in this zone are produced at a rate of 720,000 rivets per hour. The process of forging forms and hardens the rivets. To achieve the proper rivet hardness and prepare for the next production phase, we heat treat rivets in the high temperature furnace. We then send the rivets through a second low temperature furnace for stress relief and to prepare the rivet for its unique joint requirements. The next station is surface treatment to avoid galvanic corrosion and to give the rivets a surface that easily penetrates the sheet metal stacks. All the water used in the surface treatment process is cleaned in-house and returned to the municipal water plant to be used again. Here we have the sorting, quality control check and collation areas. In the sorting station, every single rivet is being reviewed for quality adherence using high-speed cameras and lasers. In our collation department, the rivets are installed in a tape to be used by our tape feed systems as one method of inserting or setting rivets into customer applications. The primary system used in the US is a tape feed system, which allows for simple, consistent delivery into the rivet setter. Another rivet delivery system uses blow feed technology, where loose rivets are fed through a blow tube and delivered to the setting system attached to a robot. The last station is packing and shipping to the different OEMs. Henrob Corporation ships 10 to 12 million rivets out of this plant every day. We are currently expanding our rivet production capabilities both in the US and the UK, with the objective of doubling the current rivet capacity. Well, that's the end of the tour, and I hope that gives you an insight into what's happening within Henrob.
Okay, thanks Mark.
It's my pleasure, Tobias.
Very nice tour, so see you around.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. As you can see, there's a lot that goes on in our self-pierce riveting manufacturing. I know that many of you are curious about how we intend to further integrate Henrob and the IAS division into ITBA sales and service operations. We have chosen to use the existing ITBA infrastructure in regions where IAS are not well represented or where simply the market is too small. In large markets like Western Europe, US and China, IAS will have their own units. In China in particular, we recently decided to start up our own IAS customer center. Recently we recruited a new VP Service who will lead and support the business units to build up a global service organization, partly inspired by the ITBA service. Currently there are no plans to actively integrate the AIS and the IAS service operations. So all in all, we see an exciting time ahead of us for the IAS division. Thank you.